In this video, we will see how to configure tax rates in our Framework 360 environment. First, we go to the left in the sidebar and then go under Settings. Here we will find Sales, and below that, Taxes. How can we see? This section shows various settings, including the option to decide whether prices should always include taxes or be tax exclusive. This setting will determine whether the prices we enter in our website should include taxes or not, but also in the module Sales, for example, and in all sections that display prices within our Framework 360 environment, we can say that this select decides prices at a global level. In this select my big T, however, we can decide whether to show prices on the website with taxes included or excluded. So as we can see, indeed, even in the guide, prices will be shown based on how we decide only on the website. In this section, however, we see that we can decide whether to display prices in the cart with taxes included or excluded. The cart is the section where products are added by customers when they click the button Add to Cart. In this section, however, total taxes, we can decide whether to show the price, including taxes as a total, only at the end of the checkout, or show the taxes for each individual product. In fixed price, instead, we can decide the wording that should appear next to the products. For example, VAT included. In the tax rate settings section, here we can clearly decide what the tax rates for our products are, such as a 22% rate, which is VAT. But for example, we could also add a 4% rate, which is still VAT. But for example, for food products, VAT in Italy is 4% for some food products. And so on. We can also add a 10% VAT, for example, and then we can clearly set the default rate that we decide is the most common for our products. And obviously, for each product that we add to the e-commerce, we can decide which VAT to apply. In fact, if we go, for example, inside the checkout, into the cart, and we want to add a product to this single checkout, we could manually select, and then here, for example, we could decide what type of tax to select for this product. Indeed, as we can see for this, we have set a price of 10 euros for the product. Taxes included, clearly, 22% for the standard VAT. But if we change to 10% VAT and click Insert, as we can see, the net of the taxes will be... The system calculates it automatically. The same thing will work. Also in the e-commerce plugin, which we have discussed in other tutorials, we refer you to the dedicated video. When we go to insert all our products into the e-commerce plugin, the system will show us the taxes we have decided within Sales and then Taxes